Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Socket.io for real-time updates in mobile apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Socket.io for real-time updates in your mobile app, begin by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Next, create a new directory for your project. Open a terminal window and navigate to the directory you just created. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Now, install Socket.io by executing the command npm install Socket.io. Once that is done, you will set up a basic server. Create a new file named server.js in your project directory. Open server.js with your favorite code editor. At the top of the file, import the required modules using const express equals require, express, and const http equals require. Next, create an instance of express by writing const app equals express. Then, create an HTTP server using const server equals http.createServer app. Now, integrate Socket.io into your server with const io equals require, Socket.io server. Set up a listener for incoming connections by adding io.on connection socket equals console.log a user connected. To run your server, add server.listen 3000 equals console.log server is running on port 3000. Save the file and run your server from the terminal using the command node server.js. Now that your server is up, move on to the mobile app side. If you're using React Native, navigate to your project directory and run npm install socket.io client. Once installed, open your main application file. Import the socket.io client by adding import.io from socket.io client. Establish a connection to the server by writing const socket equals io, http:// your server IP 3000. Make sure to replace your server IP with the actual IP address or domain name of your server. Now, you can set up event listeners on the client side. For instance, to listen for messages, add socket.on message data equals console.log data. To emit a message from the client, use socket.emit message hello from client. Ensure your server is also set up to listen for these emitted messages. On the server side, add a listener for the message event inside your io.on connection event. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.